What's going on, folks? My name is Josh and you are watching The Outdoor Dude. Thanks for coming back to the channel. It is September. I heard the walleye are back in the creek, and even if they're not, I'm gonna try to catch a bass or two, so let's go. Bam!
Look at that big mammal channel, folks.
We are back. We are obviously on the water. We've dropped the trolling motor. Took me probably about a half hour to tie up a few rigs, get some new leader lines tied on. We're gonna troll up the creek, do a little junk fishing along the way. All right, got a crankbait going, trolling away. Come on, buddy. I know there's a fish up in there. Ooh. Come on, come on. Something lives way up under there. That crankbait I got out there definitely catching northern. Oh, not like that though.
Back up.
Oh, I got a good amount. I don't want to listen to this anymore. Well, you know what? I'm not going to use it.
I'm on like the world's smallest fish, dude.
Oh, cool. Oh, that little fella. Is that a rock bass or? That's a smallmouth. That's an Instagram picture right there, bro. God forsaken! Oh my God! You have new carpet? Huh? You do? Well, I'm definitely, I mean, you might as well just put it in. I'm totally gonna spill in it.
Sure.
I mean, let's be honest. Let's be honest. If it were my boat, I'd have ants. All right, I see grass. What's our depth?
That's 2 feet.
Okay. Come on. Yep. Pickerel or something? Yep. It's a long dart. What's up, buddy? All right. No net tonight?
Oh. Dude, I don't even know.
Friends like these. Come on, buddy. Just take her easy. Hey, buddy. No. 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 Oh. Got him. All right. Little pickerel. Sweet. Got a little pickerel. He ain't huge, but it's a fish. We're not skunked. Awesome.
Hey, I got a fish.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, your minnow counts. All right. Let's let this guy go. And see you later, dude. You on?
That's the smallest fish in the world, dude. I mean, what is it?
We're in them. A perch? That's a good perch. That ain't bad. That's a pretty decent perch.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a nice, good-sized perch, though.
Yeah. Pretty decent.
If I thought we were going to be into them, I keep them. Now
no, I hear you.
That was a good size perch, dude.
That wasn't bad at all. Ooh. I'll put that right in the tree. Okay, okay. Oh yeah.
Wow. Wow. Oh, apparently we're not in the perch. Holy good God. I thought that thing was a smallmouth coming in, dude.
This is the mother of all perch.
Oh, we almost had what I was talking about, except in the thumb and not the lip. Trying to lip the perch. That's when you know you got a good one.
That is when you know you got a good one. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
Lipping a perch.
That's a beautiful perch. Hey, thank you.
That was a giant, dude. Hopefully my wife doesn't watch us let those go.
Yeah. What?
Oh, fish. It's not bad. It's pull and drag. Is that a largemouth? Yeah. I can't lose this bass.
Wow.
It's a good one. Yeah, it's probably about 3 pounds. Good one.
It's bigger than that last one, I think.
No,
I'd weigh it.
he ain't bigger. Cool color though. He's got that yellow color kind of to him. Oh, I'm all tangled up. Sweet. He's got a fat body and a little mouth. She, really. Cool. Oh, last thing I wanted to do was not land this fish. Sweet, dude.
Weigh it.
Is the thing got water in it?
Yeah, I'll hold on to it.
I just got to put the battery in it. Well, 2 pound, 11 ounce. Got this guy, chatterbait. All right, we're gonna let her go. See you later, bud. Give a good kick. Sweet. All right, guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button down in the corner and click the notification bell so YouTube notifies you when I do a new video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the playlist videos I got set up for you guys right here, or click one of these 2 videos, and I'll see you guys over there. Bam!